If you want to travel smarter, spend less, and stop making expensive mistakes, you're in the right place. I've been traveling for over 20 years and a few years ago completed a full circumnavigation of the globe without taking a flight. Every leg by ship, train, or road. I even crossed China, Mongolia and Russia on the Trans-Siberian Railway. I started 5-Star Trip because I wanted to share everything I've learned along the way. About points, flights, destinations, and how to avoid all the mistakes that cost you time and money. I cover point strategies, flight deals, and how to get more value out of every dollar you spend on travel. Things like making sure your Qantas Points redemption is worth what you think it is, and searching for the best deals. I look at common mistakes that catch people off guard at the hotel, the border, and the airport. EU flight compensation that most Australians don't know they're entitled to, resort fees that add a fair chunk to your Vegas hotel bill, and the connecting flight that doesn't actually connect. Where you stay shapes everything. I cover how to pick the right area, how to choose the best hotel, and how to use Google Maps so you don't spend 2 hours a day just getting around. I also cover the systems that make travel run smoothly, which seat to pick on which aircraft, which screenshots to take before you fly, and how to build an itinerary that doesn't fall apart the moment something runs late. I'm a new channel and I want to build this around exactly what you want to know. So if you've got a travel question, a destination you want to know more about, or maybe you've made a mistake that you think other people should know about so they can avoid it, drop it in the comments. I read every single one. And if you want to see more, hit subscribe. I post something new every 2 days.